Hey guys, today I will teach you how to make a traditional Chinese dish, tomato and egg stir fry. The ingredients you need to prepare are 2 tomatoes, 2 eggs, some soy sauce, sugar, salt, and a little chopped green onion. So firstly, wash the tomatoes through with clean water. Use the knife to make a cross shape cut on the tomatoes. Place the tomatoes in a bowl and pour in hot water to soak for a few minutes. This is done to make it easier to peel the skin off the tomatoes. And then use a knife to cut the 2 tomatoes into small pieces. Crack the eggs into a bowl and gently whisk until well mixed. Now let's heat a pan with oil. In a frying pan, add an appropriate amount of cooking oil, roughly 1 to 2 tablespoons, and heat over medium heat. When the oil begins to heat up, pour the whisked eggs into the pan. Quickly stir fry with a spatula until the eggs are cooked and form small chunks. Transfer the scrambled eggs to a bowl. Pour in some more oil. Then add the chopped tomatoes to the pan. In this step, the oil might splatter, so be very careful not to get splashed by the oil. Stir fry the tomatoes until they release their juices. Pour the scrambled eggs back into the pan with the tomatoes and continue to stir fry. Now add a pinch of salt, sugar, and a dash of soy sauce to taste. Adjust the seasoning according to your personal preference. The sugar helps balance the acidity of the tomatoes. Then, keep stir-frying until the tomatoes become soft, and the eggs and tomatoes are well mixed. Now you can garnish it with some chopped green onions if you like. Then turn off the heat. Transfer the cooked tomato and egg stir-fry to a serving dish. This looks so delicious.